Right. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mercury Goods. Today we're unboxing men's Wolverine Halo Spartan boot. I got this from Wolverine.com. Obviously they do like boots, I guess work clothes and things like that. And from time to time they have, they've had a couple of Halo things for some reason. They have like a Metallica boot also. We'll see. I thought the boot looked cool. When I see how it looks and try it out. Okay. See, comes with it's just the graphics. UNSC standard issue. Traction unit. Okay, there's the Wolverine logo on the website. Today, tomorrow, forever. Just from the video game. Things, quotes. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that's one. Boots. Bottom. See. Pretty good. As far as I can tell, I don't see any ridiculous defects on it. But we'll see. We'll try it on. And it has different laces. I think these are the black, I guess. Right? Open this. Okay. That's on there.
Just untie it from here.
Yeah, that's on the bottom. Here, okay, these are the black. Do you want to switch out the green? Okay. Cool. Okay. Plastic. Tag. Born in Michigan, we've been building boots for over 135 years to be every bit as tenacious and capable as the people who wear them. We're not good because we're old because we stayed good. Sure. I don't wear the Wolverine boots for work, but I think my brother does. They're alright. They're not too bad. But we wear like steel toe boots. Okay. You see anything crazy with them? No, that looks pretty sick. What do you think of the style?
It's nice.
They're not work boots because they don't have. Well, I guess they can be, but they don't have steel toe or composite toe. But okay, we'll see how they feel. Oh, look the. UNSC logo, Wolverine, looks pretty sick. The pattern, camo. Inside they have the logo, UNSC. I got 10 US. Let's see, let's try them on. I think it got like the memory foam inside. Should be good. Why did they give me one? Oh no, it's two. Oh, it's two. That's stupid. Okay, come here. See, I usually get like 9.5 10s. See how they fit. I'm obviously just unboxing, so I don't have. I'm not gonna dress up just for this, you know. But hey, just try them on. So make sure. Cause I bought boots before that the inside is like really badly made. And there's like edges where they stitch up the leather. Terrible. Feels terrible. Oh, are they not? Okay. Yeah, I'm terrible at tying, but whatever. Okay. So Size is good. Look alright. Obviously, look goofy because I'm just wearing socks and shorts, but I think they look alright. The style looks good. The quality's alright. Tina likes them. Just lets us know. New bits. So, yeah.
Good.
Good. I feel comfortable. I have to wear them for a bit to actually give an actual review. But they look good. At least they give you two different types of. If you want to just wear the black instead of the neon green. If you're like a Halo fan and you have like $180, you can get them. But yeah, look alright, decent, no?
Mm-hmm.
Look kind of goofy because I'm just wearing shorts and socks, but I don't see anything wrong with them. Good build quality, they feel nice inside. I don't feel any discomfort inside. Like I said before, some of the other boots where they stitch it up like leather to plastic or something, it feels horrible inside. These feel good, tan, so they fit right size. Yeah, pretty good. See, I'm getting them. WOLVERINE.com. I think they're limited edition, but they haven't sold out, so yeah, you can still get them. Thanks for watching, and when I wear more, I might do a review if they start breaking down, but then this, decent quality. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you next time.